What's up guys, it's Desert Bug out here with another video. So this time I wanted to show you guys my 1/3 scale Winchester Model 1866 lever action rifle. Pretty cool. It's made by Denix, D-E-N-I-X. Denix is a company that makes a lot of replica guns. But they don't make a lot of miniatures, so this is one of the small few. This is actually the only miniature Denix that I've seen so far. If any of you guys out there have a different Denix miniature, let me know. Let me know what it is down in the comments, because I would love to see what that is, especially being that this one it's so nice. So check it out. It's got, this one is the silver or pewter, I want to say, color, but they made it look like old school, you know, pewter or old school metal. Also these wood, this is actually metal, and then the wood pieces looks like real wood, but I think it's plastic. Anyhow, they did a really good job of making the material look like the real thing. Also, I want to say it's like 14 inches long. It's longer than most of the little 1/3 scale rifles you'll see out there, with the exception of, I think it might be the same as the Barrett. Maybe I'll compare it one of these. Actually, let me see. And it is almost exactly, I think it's the exact same length as the Barrett. Anyhow, this is the lever action, so you can pull the lever, pull the trigger, I mean the hammer, boom. So yeah, so that's the Denix miniature Model 1866 Winchester. Pretty cool. Anyways, check it out. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Tell your friends about my channel. And stay tuned for more. Also, check me out on Instagram at Desert Bug Out, and also I created a Facebook group just so that, you know, if any of us, if there's other collectors out there, just so that we can kind of have one area where we can all chit chat and share ideas and other new stuff that we may see. So that one is called, it's on Facebook, Miniature Diecast Guns. Alright. Thanks for watching. Peace.